Hello students, let us discuss about technical writing skills today. What is technical writing? It has been broadly defined by the Society of Technical Communication as any form of communication that shows one or more of the following qualities. Now I am going to mention three qualities, and if the writing possesses any one of these qualities, one or more of these qualities, then that special piece of writing can be said to be technical writing. So let's see one by one. The first point or the first quality is communicating about technical or specialized topics such as computer applications, medical procedures, or environmental regulations. If the specific writing is communicating or giving us information about some technical topic such as computer applications, medical procedures, or any regulations, then that particular writing will be defined as technical writing. Let us go to the next point. Communicating by using technology such as web pages, help files, or social media sites. And the third quality is providing instructions about how to do something regardless of how technical the task is, or even if technology is used to create or distribute that communication. So these are the three qualities, and if I have already said that if a particular piece of writing possesses any of these qualities, it will be called technical writing. So basically what we get to understand is that technical writing gives us detailed information about how to use something. So if you buy a washing machine, what will happen? This concerned shopkeeper will send a technician to install the machine, and they will give you along with the product a manual guide. By reading the guide, you will understand how to operate the machine, because even the technician will teach you in the very first day, it's very likely that we will forget what are the steps that we need to follow to run the machine. So what we will do, we will take the help of the manual. We will see the guides, how, and in the guide it will be written very clearly step by step what to do in the beginning, how to put on the switch, which particular button to select, and all that. So that piece of writing, especially that manual or the guide that is providing us information to use the machine, is a technical writing. This writing style covers any type of text that aims to explain detailed information. So I have already said that any kind of technical writing will give us very detailed information. A technical writer communicates in a way that presents technical information so that the reader can use that information for an intended purpose. A non-technical person will not understand the technical language. So it is the duty, you can say, it is the duty of the technical writer that he have to simplify the technical language in a kind of language that a common person or a non-technical person can understand, and by understanding can use the information for an intended purpose. In that way, the technical writing should take place. So the basic aim of the technical writing is to make the complex information simpler and easier to understand for practical users. The ability to write well and convey information to the intended audience in an easily understood manner is the primary prerequisite. So what will be the writing style? the concerned person, the technical writer needs to write in a very simple language so that the intended audience find it very easy to understand. Documentation usability significantly decreases if readers struggle with the content. If we buy a machine and if we are unable to understand what is written in the guide, if the steps are not clear, if we need to struggle with the content of the guides or the manuals or the process book, then what will happen? That technical documentation usability will decrease. It will be of very less significance, or it will be of no use for the common people. So the primary requisites are that a technical writer should write very clearly, concisely and precisely. That means whatever information they should give, it should be detailed, but it should be very much to the point so that the audience don't struggle by reading the content of the technical writing. That's all for today. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.